He's got a camera, don't take the fish. We're Amish.
But I think.
I said, how can you not get out, ding dong? A bird almost won't go down.
I gotta get Ryan's truck on here. This ought to be fucking pretty good.
Hey, you better get that chain back there.
This is only like 3 minutes from your house.
Yeah.
Huh. Where were you at?
Home.
Oh, well, I was fucking calling you.
I tried calling you like 20 times.
Yeah, you don't get no fucking reception down here.
Everybody, this is Ryan Roberts. Everybody look at Ryan Roberts here. Ryan Roberts is stuck tighter than fucking bull's ass in fly time. He's dressed for the fucking beach, which is good because we got like a lake's worth of fucking water down here.
Get that other side over there, that fucking shit.
I went right through that side.
Yeah, we fucking saw it in there, that fucking shit.
Nick's going through it, he better.
Yeah, Ryan, I want to
You can go through that, no problem, if you wouldn't stop in the middle. No traction tires.